Hey guys, welcome from Baza. Today I visited Xiaomi offline store and I'm going to bring you the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo4Pro, the new cost-effective model from Redmi. And today I will have a very quick hands-on video about the newest model from Redmi. So this time they have three colors: the light green, also the black color one, matte and polished back panel black color. And also they have another white color, and this type of dimension about device is width 77.93 and length 163.1 and thickness 7.98 and weight just 219 grams. And besides these three colors, they have another special edition form. It's a Harry Potter special edition, and I have another hands-on video in my next video about this special edition. So this is the white one, and also this time for the camera is have a dual camera system, and the main one 50 megapixel and the second is a wide angle 8 megapixel. The front is 20 megapixel OIS supported anti-shake camera. This is the front side. And first I think we can have a very quick comparison about this model to the Redmi K80 Pro. So we can find from the processor, battery, screen. So for dimensions, for the Redmi Turbo4Pro, for the size and weight all a bit bigger and heavy than the Redmi K80. For the processor, this time they use the Snapdragon 8S fourth generation. But for the K80 is a generation 3, Snapdragon 8 processor. So this is the difference. And also you can go to the settings to check the basic information about device. Xiaomi have OS powered, and the battery 7550 and also 90 watt cable fast charging, 22.5 reverse wireless charging. And for screen 6.83 inch 1.5K display resolution, and also support 120 Hz refresh rate and 480 Hz touch rate, and peak brightness to 3200 nits. And for the Snapdragon 8S generation 4 processor is used 4nm technology, 4nm per distance technology, and max band 3.2 GHz. So this is the eye protector screen they use. It's called the Xiaomi Green Mountain Green Hill eye protecting technology. And also besides the screen, okay, the file is also very simple design, slim. Just use the metal frame. The back end white, use the sand polishing glass. And also, I think we got a very simple camera test. At this time for the camera, as I mentioned, the main one is a LYT-600 50 megapixel main camera, and 8 megapixel wide angle is called OIS. The AI algorithm optimization for the camera pictures, and also the 20 megapixel front one. Let's check the camera performance, and it's both wide angle and max band 10x2 performance. For the front camera, it also have a wide angle. So check the camera performance for zoom. Yes, I will put some pictures at the end of the video so you can check some pictures quality for the front. This front side, 20 megapixel wide angle. Yes. The video, promote, and switch it. Okay. This is wide angle. And exactly. The polish for zoom. You switch naturally and fastly. If we use this to record a video. Okay. I think nice. This is the white color. The new phones. so a lot of steps. Okay, no skip. Okay, the sample pictures here. Okay, we can find my here details, but not so clean. And also this is the TV screen. It's okay, much better than my here. Okay, so it's just both OIS and the shake. So it's okay. Short test from the side. I can feel they have some AI optimization, but some parts for the details can be improved. But to be frank, this is a middle range or a bit high end, and for the main users, it's not. I think it's more than student or entry level users. So the flagship of this model is actually is a bit lower than the flagship model, but it's acceptable. And here's more colors, the black and the green, we can enjoy it. Okay, also maybe you can also let me know which one you like. And personally, I don't like the green one, it's really shining. I prefer some polishing. Here we can have some sample pictures to check. Okay. Yes, so this is more for the details zoom. Okay, and also at the end of the video, we can enjoy more pictures of the smartphone. Front camera, selfie. Yes, Redmi Turbo4Pro. It's very cost-effective one. Okay, this is the hint for the Harry Potter Redmi Turbo4Pro Special Edition. And in my next video, I will also have a very simple hint-on and camera test about the special edition. Okay, thanks for watching my today's content. Let's end the video for more quick chat from here. Bye bye.